Now we can fire up the VCDS and let's go into Central Electrics, which is 09, and when everything loads up, enabling start stop system, untick that, press exit, press do it, coding accepted, press OK, can turn that off, now turn the ignition off, take the key out, so I took my let's say Golf VW with Tiguan, take it for a drive, and obviously when the engine warms up, blah blah blah, whatever, you come to a stop in the middle of nowhere on your traffic lights, and magically start stop is disabled. This is off, this button doesn't do anything, but there are no faults on the dash apart from obviously this little symbol. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.